I am Muhammad Ali, a lecturer in English from Government Postgraduate College, Atak, regarding online classes. And this online class is for first year English, and we are studying play number 2 from English book 3. The name of that play or drama is Visit to a Small Planet. In our previous lectures, we discussed a few sentences from this very play. Today, I am going to discuss and elaborate and explain further sentences. First of all, I would like to read out the text from that drama. So, you may open your books from that page. Now, I am going to read out spelling into microphone, and so according to general powers, who should know if anyone does the flying object which has given rise to so much irresponsible conjecture is nothing more than a meteor passing through the Earth's orbit. It is not, as many believe, a secret weapon of this country, nor is it a spaceship, as certain lunatic elements have suggested. General Powers has assured me that it is highly doubtful there is any form of life on other planets capable of building a spaceship. If any traveling is to be done in space, we will do it first. And those are his exact words, which winds up another week of news. Crosses to pose with wife and daughter. This is Roger Spalding saying good night to mother and father, America, from my old homestead in Silver Glen, Maryland, close to the warm pulse beat of the nation. Technician: good show tonight, Mr. Spalding. Spalding: thank you. Technician: yes, sir, you were right on time. Spalding nods wearily, his mechanical smile and heartiness suddenly gone. Mrs. Spalding: very nice, dear, very nice. Technician: see you next week, Mr. Spalding. Spalding: thank you, boys. Technicians go. Spalding: did you like the broadcast, Alan? Alan: of course I did, Daddy. Spalding: then what did I say? Alan: oh, that is not fair. Spalding: it is not very flattering when one's own daughter won't listen to what one says while millions of people. Alan: I always listen, Daddy, you know that. Mrs. Spalding: we love your broadcasts, dear. I don't know what we would do without them. Spalding: starve. Alan: I wonder what is keeping John. Spalding: certainly not work. Alan: oh, Daddy, stop it. John works very hard and you know it. Mrs. Spalding: yes, he is a perfectly nice boy, Roger. I like him. Spalding: I know, he has every virtue except the most important one. He has no get up and go. Alan: precisely. He does not want to get up and he does not want to go because he is already where he wants to be on his own farm, which is exactly where I am going to be when we are married. Spalding: more thankless than a serpent's tooth is an ungrateful child. Alan: I don't think that is right. Isn't it more deadly? Spalding: whatever the exact quotation is, I stand by the sentiment. Mrs. Spalding: please don't quarrel. It always gives me a headache. Spalding: I never quarrel. I merely reason in my simple way with Miss Know-it-all here. Alan: oh, Daddy, next you will tell me I should marry for money. Spalding: there's nothing wrong with marrying a wealthy man. The horror of it has always eluded me. However, my only wish is that you marry someone hard-working, ambitious, a man who will make his mark in the world. Not a boy who plans to sit on a farm all his life growing peanuts. Alan: English words. Spalding: will you stop correcting me? Alan, but Daddy, John grows words. John enters breathlessly. John, come out, quick, it is coming this way, it is going to land right here. Spalding, what is going to land? John, the spaceship's look. Spalding, apparently you didn't hear my broadcast. The flying object in question is a meteor, not a spaceship. John has gone out with Alan. Spalding and Mrs. Spalding follow. And I have read out a few sentences or a few pages. Now I would like to explain the meanings of difficult words. First of all, microphone. Microphone, it is a noun. The meanings of microphone are that it is instrument that changes sound waves into electrical current, and it is used in recording or broadcasting speech, music, etc. The other word next, which it is relative pronoun. It is used to refer to something previously earlier mentioned. The next word is rise. It is a noun. It means increase or spread. Next word is so. This so word is adverb. It means as a result or therefore. Next word is much. This much is an adverb. It means greatly or a lot. Next word is irresponsible. Irresponsible is an adjective. It means careless, negligent, immature. Conjecture. The next word is conjecture. This conjecture is a noun. It means guess or speculation. The next word is meteor. Meteor, it is a noun. It means small mass of matter that enters the Earth's atmosphere from outer space, making bright streak across the night sky as it is burned up, or we call it shooting star. The next word is through. Through, it is preposition. A preposition joins two words. It means in or during or in the course of. The next word is orbit. Orbit is a noun. It means track, path, flight path or course. The next word is as. As, it is conjunction. It means like or the same as. The next word is many. Many is an adjective. It means a lot of, several or various. The next word is believe. Believe, it is a verb. It means to accept as true or trust or consider. The next word is weapon. Weapon is a noun. It means stake or a thing designed or used for causing physical harm. For example, bomb, gun, knife, sword, they are known as weapons. Nor, the next word is nor. Nor is conjunction here. It may be an adverb. Conjunction means that joins two words. It means it is used after neither or not. Spaceship, it is a noun. Spacecraft or rocket ship. Certain. Certain, this word is an adjective. It means sure or convinced or firm. Then next word is lunatic. Lunatic, this word is an adjective. It means mad or foolish or crazy. Elements, it's a noun. Parts or components or factors or aspects. Have, it is a verb, means possess or keep or contain. The next word is suggest. Suggest, it is a verb. It means propose, advise, hint, recommend or advocate. Assured. Assured, it is a verb. It means guarantee. Ensured, make certain or confirm. The next word is doubtful. Doubtful is an adjective. It means uncertain, unsure, suspicious or distrustful. Form, it is a noun. It means shape, appearance or outline or structure. Another, it is an adjective. It means one more or an added or a new. and planets. The noun means a globe or heavenly bodies that we see in the sky. These planets do not have their own energy, they get from stars. Capable, it is an adjective, it means able or gifted or competent or talented. To build or building, it is a verb, means constructing or making. Traveling, to travel means it is a verb, it means journey, to take a trip or moving or passing. The next word is space, it is a noun, it means room or gap or universe or cosmos. The next word is exact, it is an adjective, it means precise, correct, accurate. Wind up, it winds up, it means to close or to finish, to end. Week, W-E-E-K, week, it is a noun, a period of 7 days, usually considered from midnight on Saturday. Crisis, it means go over. Pose, it is a verb, it means to create, to model, or to stand, or to present. Homestead, homestead is a noun, it means farmhouse. Silver Glen is its name of place. Maryland, it is also a name of place. Warm, it is adjective, it means loving, affectionate, kind or friendly. Pulse beat, it is a noun, regular beating of the arteries as blood is pumped through them by the heart. Pulse beat means near to heart. Nods, it's a verb, it means signal or sign or indicate. Verily, verily is an adverb, it means tiredly, with a sigh or unenthusiastically. Mechanical, it is adjective, it means automatic, involuntary or emotionless or unthinking. Heartiness, it is noun, it means energy or vigor or enthusiasm or fervor. Suddenly, it is an adverb, it means abruptly, rapidly, all of a sudden. Nice, this nice word is an adjective, it means kind, polite, pleasant. Broadcast, it is a noun, it means show or program or transmission. Of course, it is an adverb, it means certainly or naturally or surely. Fair, it is an adjective, it means just or right or reasonable. Flattering, it is adjective, it means pleasing or satisfying or toadying. Own, it is adjective, it means personal or particular. Won't, it means will not. Listen, it is a verb, it means to pay attention or to take note. And with this, I would like to end my presentation. Thank you.